Let her rip. Okay, we're testing to see if this is hooked up to the engine for heating purposes.
Water gets really hot.
Oh, you've already felt it?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
I mean, oh, yes.
So, unlike home, it's being heated by the engine. So the engine is 160 some degrees, or
Right.
so much hotter than home.
Okay. Watch.
That's 125.
125. Now the engines are about 160, 170 degrees Fahrenheit with the antifreeze. The antifreeze hoses go to the water heater. So when your propulsion engines run, they're heating the water in the water heater, and it's getting up to 133 degrees Fahrenheit. So the pro and the con of this is you've got a little bitty water heater on this boat, but it's got the usable hot water for maybe a heater 4 times the volume. So you need to warn your guests that they will burn their skin or they will burn themselves in the shower.
Yeah.
So what do you have now? So 130, 133.
We won't be bathing any babies in that sink.
Well, the point is you're going to use less hot water and more cold water,
Yes.
and 3, 4, 5, 6 people can shower out of that small water heater. The other thing that happens is that antifreeze is still running through the copper pipe in the water heater. So as you take the hot water out and cold water replenishes it, instead of your electric element coming on, the hot antifreeze in that copper pipe continues to heat the water.
Even when the engine's not on? Only when the engine's on.
The engines are still hot. We've been
No, I
here
meant
for 2 hours.
What's running the water through it? What's running the antifreeze?
Nothing, but it's just hot antifreeze.
Hot enough.
Yeah. Well, we leaned on the motors. We've been here for 2 hours and they're still hot.
Okay.
So you've still got advantage with that. So warn your guests about the water is scalding hot,
Yeah.
not regular hot.
Sure.